And here we are looking at the English Budgie babies again. They've just been fed, so some of them have a dirty face. Not going to mention any names. Yes. Yes, sometimes we get the baby pablum around their face. We give it a little wash, but they're all nice and full. They're down to 3 feedings a day. Alright, down to 3 feedings a day. And we're 5 weeks old, the oldest one. Something like that. Oldest one hatched on Christmas. So we'll do the math. Hi, they're all getting so big. Yes. Now where's that little guy that didn't want to? This little guy here, he likes to stay on me. He will stay on me forever. Even when I had to put him down there to take his picture. Are you, sweetie, are sleepy now? Yeah, they had a really big feed because we've cut out the lunchtime feed, and so we are having an early morning feed. Well, not that early, 8:30. Then a late afternoon feed, which they just had, and then we'll have one just before I go to bed tonight. So around 11. Yeah. Yeah, and then we'll gradually get that down to 2 feedings a day, and then 1. Couple of them are showing that they're losing interest a bit. The oldest one. The oldest 2, actually. Yeah, we have to keep on trying because we don't want them to get skinny. This is the youngest baby right here. Yes, he's the youngest, and he's a turquoise color. He hasn't had a wing clip yet. The 2 youngest haven't had wing clips yet, but the 3 oldest have. Because boy, can they fly high and fast, and when they don't know what they're doing, they can bump into things like the windows. So this wing clip, they'll give them a chance to learn about windows and walls and things like that. They can still fly, they can't fly high though. You gotta get you a little face wash, a little bath. Yeah, they're just on top of their little cage now. Are you having a sleep? Well, we better get your cage cleaned up and put you back in so you can have a little sleep. We'll check in on you later. Check in on you later. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.